Hello and welcome to the bench. This is Bench Refit Part 3. What have I been up to? Well, not a great deal, but as you can see, as I'm looking at this corner area underneath the stair, this is the area, or one of the areas, that I've been working on. What was here was the work in progress box, which is underneath the paper towel box. The paper towel box was where the 3-drawer unit is, and where the paper towel holder is now was the paintbrush and tool unit, which has now been removed, and what you see has now been put in place. There is an option that I might take at some point in the future, that the work in progress box may very well come out and go onto the table to my right. The paper towel unit will drop down, and either a drawer unit of some sort or another paint rack will go in its place. But for now, I'm going to keep everything as it is so that I get used to it and see if I actually need to do anything. If I don't, then I will leave it as it is. Moving round, I do apologise for shaky cam. I'm not very used to holding the camera up. Lovely big screen for watching YouTube and BritBox and anything else that I've got whilst I'm sat at the bench doing model making or whatever I'm doing. Behind the monitor is a Lenovo M3 tiny PC, and it literally is. It's a tiny little unit which doesn't take up a lot of space, which is brilliant because space is a premium round here. Moving round these units, oh look, there's Jasper hanging around. Yes, yeah, he's always hanging around, got nothing else to do but hang around looking at the screen. Good old Jasper. What's happened here, I've had a bit of a shuffle round because before we had 3 stacks of 3 units, we've now only got 2 stacks. And the drawers have been put in place of where once upon a time the work in progress was, and the 6-drawer unit is now where the paper towel unit was. Underneath the screen, I've got 2 open units that have been butted up together, that have got all the wide large bottles and jars and various other bits and pieces and odds and sods sat under there, which works beautifully. Moving round, the corner unit is pretty much the same as it was. It's not changed in any way. A few more paint bottles have been added, but that's pretty much it. In this area we have 3 200mm units just to finish off the line, and it kind of stops me parking odds and sods and fits and farts at the end of the desk, and kind of forces me to make sure that I put everything away and it's all kept in a neat and tidy way. Slightly disappointed with the 200mm units in that when you put the divider between either the 4-drawer unit or the 2-drawer unit, the tolerance of fit is so tight that pushing the drawers in is a little, if not very tight. So I took mine out. Works fine. I'm quite happy with that. It's not as if there's anything major going to go in them. The 4-drawer unit is empty. I don't know how long that will be before I start putting stuff in it. The 3-drawer unit, at the moment, the top drawer is in use because it's got my pencils and my weathering pencils in. The other 2 drawers at this moment in time are empty. How long they will be empty for, your guess is as good as mine. I think as I go round and show just how much space I've got on my desk, if it comes into focus, it does, and I think I'll go back again just to make sure. As you can see, I have got a very large work area so that I can work and build models and edit my videos, watch YouTube, watch BritBox while I'm working, or have some music on. I couldn't want for a better area now. I am very pleased with how this has all come out. I cannot stress how much of an easier life it's going to make building models. So I will simply say thank you very much for watching. As always, with the world being on fire as it is, please stay safe, please stay well, and I will see you in the next one.